Welcome to my channel Correct Biology. In this video we are going to discuss difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Now here if you see the term uni means single, and here if you see multi means many. In the case of unicellular organisms, what we are going to see? We are going to see one cell. So these organisms, they are made up of just one cell. All the life function, they are being carried out by one cell in the case of unicellular organisms. And here I just want to tell you some of the best examples of unicellular organisms are bacteria. So bacteria, they are unicellular. Now same way if you see, you are going to have archaea, these are also unicellular. Same way if you see amoeba is unicellular. Paramecium is unicellular. Then you must have heard about yeast is unicellular. Now try to see here, bacteria, archaea, they are prokaryotes. While if you see amoeba, paramecium, yeast, they are eukaryotes. So in the case of unicellular organisms, you can see both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. Now here I just want to tell you, if you see generally the unicellular organisms, they are going to divide, multiply rapidly. Okay, and hopefully you remember in case of bacteria, generally they are going to divide by the process of binary fission. So here in the case of unicellular organism, generally what you are going to see, asexual mode of reproduction by binary fission. Yes, if you remember in case of bacteria, you can also have sexual mode of reproduction, that is conjugation. Okay, that part we will discuss later. So here these are some of the points related to unicellular organisms. Now let us discuss about multicellular organisms. Now here if you see, multi means many, here cellular means cell. So multicellular organisms, they are going to made up of many cells. In actually here you are going to see different level of organization. Okay, now if you remember in case of unicellular organism, you are going to have just one cell. So there you are going to see only the cellular level of organization. But in the case of multicellular organisms, you can have tissue level of organization. Okay, so hopefully you remember that cell, a group of cells which are doing same function, okay, they can form tissue. So in some multicellular organisms, what you are going to see, tissue level of organization, and here the best example is tissue level of organization. Okay, and it can be seen in the case of Coelenterata. Okay, in the phylum Coelenterata. And here you can see, remember the example, jellyfish, okay, hydra, okay, they are going to have tissue level of organization. Yes, here in multicellular organisms, you can also have organ level of organization. And here you can see the best example is platyhelminths. In case of platyhelminths, what you are going to see? You are going to see organ level of organization, and here you can remember this by flatworms. Okay, flatworms, they are going to have organ level of organization. Now if you see in multicellular organisms, you can also have organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. So in all other organisms like escarhelminths, annelids, arthropods, mollusks, echinoderms, okay, what you are going to see? You are going to see organ system level of organization. So here you will also include chordates. So here you are going to see organ system level of organization, and you can take your example. We, the human being, we are going to have organ system level of organization. So hopefully you have learned the difference between unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Please do like, share the video. Please do like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Correct Biology.